Okay, Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Okay, today we're going to continue our lesson with 1.4 logic gate and simple logic circuit. And today we're going to learn on how to write a Boolean expression based on circuit given and also how to draw a truth table based on Boolean expression. Alright, we will start first with write Boolean expression based on circuit given. And before this, we have discussed on the basic, three basic logic gates, okay, the truth table and also the expression. And we also have learned on the NAND gate, the NOR gate, and also exclusive OR and exclusive NOR gate, right? So based on that one, we are going to continue on write a Boolean expression based on circuit given. Okay, so we are given this circuit. Alright, so we have here two inputs, okay, and one output. And before, based on the circuit given, before you can write the Boolean expression, okay, you must know that we must look at the circuit given from left to right. Okay, from left to right. Okay, so now look at how, first step, okay, you must look at on how many circuit, no, how many gates, okay, involved in this circuit. So here we have two gate, which is the OR gate and also the AND gate. Right, the OR gate and the AND gate, and from left to right, okay, kita tahu yang kita akan jumpa OR gate terlebih dahulu then AND gate. So maksudnya dia akan, expression kita akan tulis OR lepas tu baru AND. Okay, that one is the first step. Okay, second step, to write the Boolean expression, okay, there are certain symbols that we need to use to represent the gates, right? So for the OR gate, right, bila kita tulis expression untuk OR gate, we're going to use tanda tambah, dan to AND gate, we're going to use tanda dot, right? Okay, that one is second step. Okay, for the third step, okay, if A and B is your input, right, then what is your output? Okay, tuliskan output di sini. Okay, sini input kita A dan B dihubungkan oleh OR gate, jadi nak tuliskan dia adalah sebagai A OR B. Okay, then after that, we look at the AND gate here. So there are also two inputs involved, which is the first one is here. The first input is A, right? And the second input is A or B, and we know that A or B ni mesti dibuat terlebih dahulu, right? Jadi kita hubungkan dia. So dihubungkan antara these two input with AND gate. Okay, jadi output di sini adalah, the first input is A. We have A here. The second input is A or B dihubungkan dengan AND. Jadi AND, second input is A or B. Right. Okay, so bila you tulis semula expression, it will be, okay, so sini given here your output is X, okay, and your input adalah 2 ni. So bila kita tuliskan expression, always remember when you write the expression, we must always start with the output terlebih dahulu, which is X. So X equals, okay, barulah kita tuliskan input yang di atas ni lah, which is A and dalam kurungan A or once again, what is your first step? Right, first step is you must always remember to read from left to right. Identify how many inputs. Okay, what is the input and what is the output? Okay, identify how many gates involved. So in this case, we have two gates involved, which is OR gate and AND gate. Right. Then write the symbol on to represent the gate in expression. So untuk OR gate, we are going to use plus. Untuk AND gate, kita akan gunakan dot. Alright, so sini untuk OR gate terlebih dahulu, kenapa OR gate dulu? Because we look from left to right. So kita akan jumpa OR terlebih dahulu. So input adalah A dan B. Hubungan dia adalah OR. So A or B is your output. Right. For this AND gate, okay, two input involved, which is the first input is A and the second one is yang ni tadi A or B dan dihubungkan dengan AND, jadi kita tulis sebagai A and A or B. Dan bila kita tuliskan dia punya final expression, always remember to write down the output terlebih dahulu. So here we have the output is X, so X is equals to A and A or B. Alright, okay, now we're going to continue with the second example, okay? Alright, so for the second example, for first example tadi we only have two inputs. Okay, for second example we have three inputs here, which is A, B and C. Okay, ada tak dia punya output? Okay, so sekarang sini output dia tidak ada. Yang first input tadi output dia adalah X. So kalau output tak ada, so it is optional. You nak letak output pun boleh, tak letak pun tak apa. Okay, sama macam tadi, need to look at the circuit from left to right. Okay, identify how many gates. So here we have three gates involved, which is ni gate apa ni? Okay, this one is AND gate. This one is NAND gate. Okay, kenapa NAND? Sebab dia AND dan juga NOT gate. So NAND gate. And the third gates involved is OR gate. Okay, dan tuliskan representation of these gates dalam Boolean expression. So untuk AND, kita akan guna dot. Untuk NAND, dia akan ada dot dan juga bar nanti di atas. Okay, untuk OR kita akan gunakan ada tambah. Right. Okay, now okay, from left to right, once again yang ni sama jadi either one lah. You nak start dengan AND boleh, you nak start dengan NAND pun boleh. It will be no problem. Tapi saya akan startkan dengan yang atas ya. Okay, so untuk AND gate ni, so two inputs involved are A and B dan hubungannya adalah AND, so output will be A and B. Right. Okay, so the first one dah settle. Now we move to second gate, which is NAND gate. So two inputs involved, which is di sini tarik daripada A. So your first input is A. Your second input is C. Remember untuk NAND gate dia akan buat AND terlebih dahulu and then baru NOT. So A and C NOT. Okay, macam mana kita tuliskan A and C NOT? So A and C semua sekali di NOT kan. Alright, boleh ya? Okay, alright. Then dah habis first gate, second gate, we move to the third gate and the last gate here, right, which is the OR gate. Right, so daripada OR gate ni also two inputs involved. So input dia sebenarnya daripada output for the first one ni lah. So the first one adalah A and B. Another one is A and C, not. Okay, not A and C, right? So bila dihubungkan, your first input will be this one, your second input will be this one dan dihubungkan dengan OR gate. Jadi macam ni kita nak tulis. So saya akan tulis dalam purple color. So the first one adalah A and B. Okay. The Kenapa saya kurungkan? Kerana ia berlaku terlebih dahulu. Okay, so your second input adalah A and C not. Okay, saya letaklah. Dan dihubungkan kedua-dua ni dengan OR gate. Jadi OR tu letak di sini. Okay, so your final answer should be, saya akan tuliskan di bawah. Okay, tiada output dilabelkan di sini. Jadi saya rasa tak perlulah, kita tak perlu letak bila tak dilabelkan, so tak letak, tak payah letak, tak apa. So tuliskan sahaja sekali lagi. So final answer adalah A and B. Right. Together di-OR-kan dengan secondnya input adalah A and C and J. Okay? Right. Boleh kita go to the example. Okay, kalau you nak pausekan sekejap video ni pun boleh. You pausekan sekejap and then you cari what is the answer, dan baru you check back dengan saya punya play again to check your answer. Okay. Right. First step, you mesti ingat look from left to right. So how many gates involved? Okay, 3 gates. 1, 2, 3 gates. So what are the gates here? So we have here ini apa ni? Exclusive OR gate. This one we have NAND gate. This one we have NOR gate. Okay, exclusive OR gate, NAND gate, and NOR gate. Right, so from left to right, kita akan jumpa these 2 gates terlebih dahulu. So it's up to you. Nak buat yang exclusive OR dulu ke ataupun NAND gate dulu. Then so first, second, this one is the third one. Okay, so exclusive OR dalam representation of exclusive OR dalam Boolean expression adalah OR. Ini exclusive OR. Untuk NAND gate adalah dot dan juga bar di atas. Untuk NOR gate adalah plus dengan bar di atas. Okay. Now we go to the first gate, which is exclusive OR gate. So untuk exclusive OR gate, 2 inputs involved adalah A dan B. So dihubungkan dengan exclusive OR. So cara kita tulis adalah A exclusive OR B. Okay. Untuk second one adalah, okay, tu inputnya adalah B dan C dihubungkan dengan NAND gate. Jadi B and C sama sekali. No, okay, this one is gate. Okay, untuk the third gate, which is NOR gate, okay, 2 inputs involved adalah A exclusive OR B dan juga not B and C dihubungkan dengan NOR gate. Jadi cara kita tulis adalah, always remember, sebab ini berlaku terlebih dahulu, jadi kita letakkan dia di dalam kurungan. Kat sini you tak letak kurungan tak apa, tapi untuk akhir ni you need to, bila kita write again, kita perlu letakkan dalam kurungan, ya. So we have here adalah A exclusive OR B. Okay, so this is your first input. Right, so your second input adalah B and not B and C. So B and C not. Okay, dan last sekali, these 2 inputs dihubungkan dengan NOR gate. Jadi begitu. Right? Dan tiada output dilabelkan, so your final answer should be A exclusive OR B. Ini berlaku terlebih dahulu, and then not B and C, dan kesemua ini dihubungkan dengan NOR. Right. Boleh? Okey, sama tak dengan jawapan you all tu, betul tak? Betul? Alhamdulillah, tahniah. Alright. Jadi selepas ini video kedua adalah based on these three examples, okay, yang kita dah bincangkan dia punya expression dia. Kita akan teruskan dengan truth table. Okay? Alright. See you.